Do you remember when I made the video on this 5-in-1 RF body sculpting machine? If not, it's okay if you haven't seen it. I'll make sure to link it in my description below, okay? It is a good video to watch because this machine right here, it sucks. I don't mean it sucks in a bad way. I mean, it literally sucks, okay? That is so funny sounding, but I'm being serious. This machine right here is a 5-in-1 Cavitation RF body sculpting machine. I made a video about it. I showed you how to use it. I even had the results on the video. The results were absolutely amazing. Like, I was very happy with this machine. So this was the 5-in-1, and this was the cavitation handle right here, a 40K cavitation. When it comes to machines like this, the lower the number, the better it's going to work, or the stronger the cavitation is, okay? The reason why I'm on here right now is I got a new machine, and this machine is a 30K cavitation machine. Do you know what that means? That means it's even stronger than the 40. I'm about to unbox it, and I wanted to share my unboxing with you. So if you're interested in seeing my new machine, please stick around. This is the new one. Yay! I'm so excited about being able to share this with you. So these machines, both machines, they come from a company called Mychway. I will be sure to put the website right here in this video and link both product links down in my description below, just to make it easier. If you're looking for these machines, I will have them linked. You just click the link. It'll take you right to the product. Oh, and one more thing. I am Nisa. This is my YouTube channel. And I love all things beauty. I love testing out beauty devices. I love reviewing products. Sometimes I cut my hair. I will be cutting my hair real soon and making a new video on that because my hair is out of control. So if you love everything beauty and you're interested in my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell and you'll always be notified anytime I put a new video up. Now, back to our video. So this right here is my new machine. It's called the S-Shape Machine Home Spa. Ooh. This is what the other side of the box looks like. These are the handles that come with it. So this machine is a 4-in-1. My other machine was a 5-in-1. Okay, so I'm doing a little reading right now. This is the ARISTORM 4-in-1 Cavitation S-Shape Machine for body sculpting and anti-aging. Yes, please. So let's see what's inside the box. There is this little nice letter from the company. This tells you a little bit about the company. And then there's this full user manual inside. This is going to be so much fun. Let me tell you, this thing comes nicely packed. There's the styrofoam, and it's got all the handles neatly placed in this organized styrofoam container. Here is the actual machine part itself. It too was in styrofoam. Wow. So this right here is the 30K Pro handle. It's the professional body handle utilizing cavitation at a 30 kHz frequency. The handle precisely targets key body areas such as the abdomen, back, and thighs, resulting in a finely shaped physique. Ooh. This right here is the 30K Cavi and RF body handle. Look at how nice these are. They have a lot of weight to them. So this handle right here harnesses the power of the 30K ultrasonic wave. This handle effectively targets areas like the abdomen, back, and thighs, sculpting the body with enhanced definition. The additional radio frequency amplifies the sculpting effect, contributing to a more polished look. This one looks very interesting. Look at this up close. This one has the suctioning power like I was talking about in the other device. Except that suction handle, it was specifically for the body. This one right here is for the face. This is called the Suction and RF Facial Sculpting Handle. Ooh. You can experience lifted and firmer facial skin with the suction feature paired with improved circulation for a rejuvenated look. The RF energy actively contracts collagen, visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing a more youthful and refreshed appearance. I cannot wait to use this handle right here. I don't have any facial devices like this at all. I'm so excited. Okay, moving on. The last, but I'm sure not least handle. So this one right here is the EMS and EL, which is the electroportation. That sounds interesting. So this handle right here, it enhances the absorption of skincare products, utilizes EMS with a 4K frequency, working harmoniously on the skin to enhance elasticity and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. The outcome is a complexion that is not only smoother, but also noticeably more resilient. Friends, this is like a dream come true, okay? I cannot wait to actually test this beauty out for you and make a video. So are you ready to put it together? Okay, let's fast forward this part. That took forever. This is like my other Mychway body sculpting machine. If you look right here, you see two little circles. I'm gonna look for the one with two little circles. Plug it in and then tighten it on. Woohoo! One handle down. The suction handle, it has a very thick tube. And this is what its little plug-in looks like. Same thing, I'm gonna look in here and find the one that matches this. This one doesn't have the little part that you screw. This was seriously so easy to put together, but I don't know where the plug is. So I have these two packages right here. We're gonna open up and hope maybe that there's a plug that goes to this thing. Let's see. That's not the plug, but there is some hot cream. So this hot cream right here is supposed to help you sweat, helps to tone and firm the skin, and it'll feel hot in 20 minutes. This isn't the plug either, but this is the conductive gel that you need to use with it, okay? It's very important when you're using these body sculpting machines like this, you need to have the sculpting gel on, okay? So it comes with some sculpting gel. Okay, so I need to go see if I can find the plug. I'm such a dork. It was right here in the styrofoam box. I started to get a little worried. So when you use this machine, you need to make sure you use an outlet that has the little area for the third prong. If you are interested in seeing me make a video on how to use the machine, please let me know in the comments below.